My name's Garrett Johnson. I'm the driver here on B shift at Cowlitz 2. I came up through the high school academy and the volunteer through the part-time, made it where I'm at now. We're out here today with what we call our basic pump academy. So we've got 9 of our newest people from career academy to volunteers to even a part-timer. We've got a type 1 water tender out here, a type 1 structural engine, and yesterday we spent most of the day in the classroom. Today we are doing drafting from a static source. So essentially sucking water through a straw up into the engine while working on tender ops. It's just a water truck that carries 3,000 gallons and brings it to this swimming pool that on some days looks more inviting than others. This is a 1500 GPM pump and it's a 3,000 gallon tank. So if you were able to immediately come up to max flow, you'd be out in 2 minutes. We wouldn't realistically be able to do that. It takes a little bit of time to get lines open. So we just try to make it as slow as possible, make sure that the tender has time to go back and get water before we do run out, because the last thing we want to do is have to catch another draft. So at Cowlitz 2, we're a combined organization, meaning we have career and volunteer. Our volunteers supplement staffing as needed, so we do have a minimum staffing level that says this many people have to be at work and have this many people in the seats, and then anything above and beyond, we look to the volunteers for that. So if we get a rural response and we need a tender, we have volunteers that will come out, grab the tender, bring it to us. They have their station out in Rose Valley, Station 24, and we just recently had an academy for that station specifically. A couple of their members are out here, and so they'll staff that occasionally and just kind of bridge the gaps.